Attention! The following story is terrible but real. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the shocking truth about the pet food industry. Truth that could save your dog's life. Listen carefully, and you'll thank me in the end. Every day, loads of raw product is being brought to the rendering plant floor. There are thousands of dead dogs, cats, horses, sheep, pigs, rats, and others. Remains of their bodies are waiting to be processed. Undocumented workers from Mexico are starting their usual workday in dirty dresses, faces covered with masks. Their dirty job is to load the raw into one huge stainless steel pit where it will be processed. In high degrees of heat, the pile of dead animals is starting to get covered with swarming maggots. A huge drill is smashing the bodies with sounds of bones cracking like in a horror movie. During the process, dampness and fat are being removed from the raw material to mix carcasses of animals with livestock, poultry waste, and faulty goods. Then men will load the crushed material into another pit for fine shredding, and the mass will be cooked at high degrees for a while. This will melt meat away from bones and result in hot soup. The meat and bones are sent to a hammer mill that presses out the last dampness and makes the material grainy flour. Hair and large bone chips are being sifted out, and the final result is yellow grease, meat, and bone food. Such giant kitchens run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to fulfill the high need of commercial dog food companies. Meet the sad part of recycling. It would be hard to understand what this hateful mixture is used for. If you didn't know the truth, you surely wouldn't think this was legal for something edible, right? Sadly, we need to admit this final result from the giant kitchens is sold to pet food manufacturers. Every day, thousands of pounds of this unsavory mass is shipped across America and also to the rest of the world to be prepared for dogs, cats, and other animals. The food gets packed, decorated with nice labels, and put out to shelves of supermarkets. Recycling gets worse with toxic waste included. What makes the recycling process a real nightmare is the fact that together with those dead animals, lots of unwanted contaminants are processed. Therefore, rendering plants are inevitably processing toxic waste. Things that shouldn't be part of pet food but unfortunately end up in the process are flea collars of dead animals, pesticides from tainted livestock, heavy metals like mercury from fish oil, different pharmaceuticals like antibiotics, surgical pins and needles, even different plastic objects from animals, all mixed up in rendering plants. Even supermarket rejects that are included in the recycling process can contain what's left from unwrapping them. It's quite logical that they include this waste carelessly without spending too much time removing all parts of package that's stuck on the meat. Then, imagine what gets into pet food: paper, plastic, even what's left over from processing human food, usually classified as not eligible for human food. Not eligible for humans, but meant for pets. Here, I've listed up the main sources of raw materials that unfortunately are being used to make legal dog food for our lovely pets. Roadkill, deer, moose, skunks. Dead zoo animals, disabled, diseased, and dead farm animals. Euthanized pets, cats, dogs. Butchery waste, organs and body parts. Supermarket rejects, spoiled food from restaurants, different food waste from factories. Conclusion? You probably agree by now that the pet food industry is just a way to profit from unedible waste that's left over from humans. Being on the dark side of recycling, the pet food industry uses nice labels to sell garbage. Every pet owner should be aware of this and wise enough to know which food to buy for pets. Avoid commercial dog food manufacturers that are participating in the shady recycling. Instead, make sure to buy products of safe brands that are not using questionable ingredients. Happy pet, happy life. I often dream of a better place to live, where people and their pets are all happy and healthy. Time is what you can't buy, so enjoy your time with the loved ones. My product is digital and can be downloaded instantly, so there will be no waste, no paper or plastic left to the environment. Thank you for your support. This information can save your dog's life. Click the button below now to get the vitally important information.